right, hi, I'm Jenny. Hi, friends. Today, I really want to try to make chicken and dumplings. I love chicken and dumplings, even though I'm a Jersey girl through and through, raised up here in the Northeast. My family who's from the South. I lived in North Carolina for about like 8 years, so I'm a fan. I'm a fan of Southern food. And I used to eat chicken and dumplings all the time, but I never made it. And so today's the day. Today's the day we're trying. So I got chicken thighs. I washed them. They already came skinless, and I washed them. Now they're here in this bowl. Okay, and then she gave measurements, but she also said, like, you know, do what you feel you need to do. So that's what we're doing. Onion powder, garlic powder. What's this? Seasoning salt. You know what I mean? Like, she said we can do as much as we want or as little as we want. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so far so good. Easy peasy. I got the recipe for this chicken and dumplings from a YouTuber named That Girl Can Cook. And let me tell you something, that girl can cook. She said it was super easy. I'm trusting that it's super easy. Let's go. Am I intimidated? Not really, because it doesn't feel like it's that foreign of a concept for the types of techniques I need to use, but still, never done it. I think that is good. And then she says, put it off. Wait, is every nook and cranny seasoned? What do we think? I don't know, it feels like it, right? That looks seasoned, doesn't it? Dumpling time. The recipe says a cup and a half, and I did measure this out using measuring cups, but a cup and a half of flour. Okay, done. And then, done. Let's get it all out. Room temperature, 3 tablespoons of butter. Here we are. And she's like, combine. She says to combine. The recipe says to combine, so let's try. And we're supposed to add some chicken stock. I have about half a cup in here, so it's just some chicken stock. Still feels a little sticky icky. All right. Oh, see, now this is the problem. Is like, okay. We're just not going to combine all of that. No. This feels good, like this. And then that extra flour is just going to have to hang out in the bowl. Yeah. Let me do like a little one more pass. Bop, 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 bop. But that feels good. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we're cooking, y'all. Now we're cooking. All right. Here we go. Okay, this is exciting. We are actually making some dough here, like real life dough. Am I like over kneading this? Possibly. Only time will tell. Okay. Here I am. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, this looks so really good. Wow. I'm very impressed. Then she says, you know, you're gonna roll it out here on your countertop. Let's try that. And we start to roll. Roll, 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 roll. Here we are. We're rolling out the dough. We're rolling, rolling, rolling out the dough. Okay, this is working. Okay, let me go get a knife and I'm gonna cut. Okay, now we're done getting our dumplings ready. It's time to move on to cooking the chicken and then starting the soup part. Okay, chugging along here. So far, so good. I am going to now prepare the soup part of it. I've got my chicken marinating, not for very long, but that's in the fridge. And now it's time for me to prepare the veggies. I do have my spices like all out, set out there. I'll show you that in a second. But I have, for the veggies, some carrots, celery, yellow onion. I prefer the sweet onions, Vidalia onions, but this recipe calls for yellow onion. we're gonna go with it, okay? I was gonna cheat. I was gonna buy the pre-cut, you know, grocery stores have the pre-cut celery, carrot, onion. I was gonna do that. But that's not the point. The point of this experience for me, the point of this journey is to learn how to be a better cook, to learn to cook. Jenny tries to cook. So I really thought it was cheating if I got the pre-cut veggies. So here we are, we're gonna cut away. This. Don't cut yourself now, girl. Okay, like this. This is not right, y'all. This is not right. This is not how you cut. Like that. Prepared now. Okay, the recipe says 3 minutes on each side. Okay, I flipped them. I'll do this for another 3 minutes, and then I might flip them again. The recipe says the chicken will still be raw in the middle, or undercooked, probably is the better term, in the middle. So I'm not trying to cook it all the way through, but I am trying to get it like less pink, right? That's like way too red. Okay, now it's time to remove the chicken from the heat. The chicken is supposed to be undercooked. So now I gotta just get it all out the top. Whoa, whoa. Try not to burn yourself. It's probably not supposed to stick like mine did, so hopefully I can get it all out. Now we add, the veggies. Oh no, I have to, oh no, what order do I do it in? Oh no, I think I do the garlic, which I know I'm not supposed to be using garlic. I'm definitely cheating. One day I will mince my own garlic. One day. Not today. I already feel like I did really well with making my own dough and cutting up my own veggies. I'm gonna cheat with some garlic. Sorry. This is not aesthetic. It is what it is around here. We just dump right from the container. 8 to 10 cups. 8 to 10 cups. I'm probably gonna use more than that. I'm probably gonna use like 11 cups. Just because that's how much I have left, and I'm not trying to save an extra. This is why you're like, Jenny, this is the problem, right? Like, I'm not following directions. I'm not following the recipe. And I'm gonna wonder why it doesn't taste probably like hers tastes later. Because she's like, use 8 to 10 cups. And I'm here using 11. Okay, now we add the chicken back. All right, see, this is how it's gonna get cooked more. Ooh, I got some juices in there. Should I just like dump the juices? I think so. I've like always seen things where it's like, you want the juices, right? I'm gonna dump the juices back in. I need to buy like tongs, because I don't mind this big fork, but the tongs like she used would have been way easier. Okay. Come on, let go. We're gonna just dump this back in. I don't know. Okay. And now we let this chill, we let this hang out. We let this hang out for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, now we're at the fun part. We're going to shred the chicken. And we're so close. We're so close. It's starting to smell really good. I'm very excited. Oh, did you see my spoon? I like to stir, it's gonna be bad. I like to stir the pot. Jenny, AKA Spoon. My friend's mom gave it to me. She calls me a pot stirrer, and not in a good way. Okay, let's see how we can do this. I hope I don't burn myself. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. Okay. She's rumbling real fast. You know what? No, we're not shredding her in the pot. No. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take the chicken out because I'm not trying to, well, let's see. Can I do it? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Is this supposed to take this long? This seems so inefficient. Is there another way to do this? Is my chicken not tender enough? What? Oh no. Turn it. I feel like I can't see. Oh my God. I'm trying to turn like all the lights on. Okay. My broth's still going. This is not like as easy as I thought it was going to be. Back in the pot you go. Okay, time to add the dumplings. I just put them on a paper plate. This looks legit. This looks like real soup. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm quite impressed with myself. All right, time to taste. See, here it is. Eek. Oh. Okay. I think it tastes good. I used too much oil. I did. My error. Completely. I used too much oil. I should have sopped some of it up when I was cooking the chicken or right after the chicken. I think it's just too much oil for me. Yeah. I think I will still eat it. I just don't like wasting food. But I have to say, I used too much oil. That's unfortunate because it was a really good recipe. Well, I tried.